Lifted van meet November 2025 is just around the corner, and I have an idea how to film all of you on the trail. There's my camera. It's a flagpole attached to a hitch step. I keep seeing videos on Instagram of people street racing, and it looks like it's on a fishing pole. And you guys told me they're called instacam 360s. I wanted to get one, but it's not in the budget right now. So I'm gonna try this out. Wolfang action camera on a $14 mount. The Wolfang is $60, and the flagpole kit is like 20 bucks, 20 or $30, and this hitch step is another $30. So 30, 20, 50, 110, 115, 120, something like that for this setup. Let's go ahead and try it out. Reviewing the footage on the built-in tiny screen, and it looks good. I'm rolling with it. Budget knockoff instacam 360 right here. I'm gonna use it for some trail footage. Here's my van, budget camper van build. It's a 2-wheel drive, not a 4-wheel drive, and it has an aux locker. Wish I had my front mount hitch in now. Haven't installed it yet, but front mount hitch with the flagpole, that would work really well too if I were following you guys. But I could still mount a windshield mount, you know, on the windshield, so it'll still work. But I like this because of the height. So there you go. And here's my van before the meet. Almost ready to roll here.